Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install QuickNode RPC endpoints for Polygon and Ethereum step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the QuickNode website. Create an account if you haven't already. Log into your QuickNode dashboard. Once logged in, select the Create Node option. Choose the blockchain network you want to work with, either Ethereum or Polygon. For Ethereum, select the Ethereum option from the drop-down menu. For Polygon, select the Polygon option instead. Next, you'll need to choose a plan that suits your needs. Review the available options and select one that fits your requirements. After selecting a plan, you'll be prompted to name your node. Enter a name that will help you easily identify the node later. You can also choose the data center location for optimal performance. Select a location from the list provided. Once you've set everything, click the Create Node button. The system will take a moment to provision your new node. After creation, you will see your node listed on the dashboard. Click on your newly created node to view the details. Locate the RPC endpoint URL displayed on the node details page. This URL will be essential for connecting to your blockchain. Copy the RPC endpoint URL to your clipboard. Now, depending on the application you're using, navigate to its settings. Find the section where you can enter custom RPC URLs. Paste the copied RPC endpoint URL into the appropriate field. Make sure to save the settings in your application. Test the connection to ensure it is working correctly. You should see successful feedback indicating the connection is established. If any issues arise, double-check your settings for accuracy. You have now successfully installed QuickNode RPC endpoints for both Polygon and Ethereum. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.